Hello! In this video, we are leaving the way back. We decided to get our nails done before we left. We are going to be heading from Pigeon Forge, just slightly south, down to Gatlinburg, where we'll be staying at the Mountain Loft, which is a blue-green resort, if you are familiar with blue-green. So we stayed in a 2-bedroom villa. However, what you'll see in a minute is there's actually more space upstairs. It's just not considered a bedroom.
We've entered the kitchen.
All right, so we've entered the kitchen. I'm just kidding. We have a coffee machine, and a microwave, and a stove, and a refrigerator. Knives. We're not going to do opening all the cabinets, but we will show. There's things in the cabinets. Washer and dryer. And then a back porch over there.
I see.
Washer and dryer.
Nice big table. Okay, so here's the first bedroom. Come into the first bedroom, Dad. We got a king size bed. This bed is big. Nice big closet with pool towels and extra things for the bed. It looks like blankets, pillows. I'm not sure what else. Pillowcases, lots of hangers.
Connected to this bedroom.
Big television. And a view, if I can make that work, of the truck that's in the parking space. But it's fine though, because it's a nice spacious room. All right, let's keep going.
Well, I didn't get this one.
All right, you get that one then. All right, so here is the first bathroom that is right off from the front door kitchen. Turn around, and there is the bathroom. So you get a makeup cloth. You get, what is this, soap, and then you get a nice stand-up shower. All right, so there's one deck here. It's got seating for 4. Nice view of the woods. So here's the living room. Dad's already completed it, so you got stairs to the right, cubby hole for space, for stuff. Does the fireplace work? Working fireplace. All right. There is television, windows with a great view, chair seating. And did Dad say that was a pull-out couch? Let's see.
What? I don't know.
Yeah, it is. All right. Let's pull up it so you could put another 2 people in here.
And 2 upstairs, 2, 4, 6.
A lot. Another back porch, patio thing, seating for 2. And a nice view. Very nice view. King size bed. So you've got a nightstand on one side, but not on the other. And what is this, a clock? Does this have, okay, it's got ports. Okay, so shower with a seat. And it's got things in it, you know, the soap and stuff. And then there is nice lighting, more soap, makeup towel. What's under here? Okay, hair dryer, towels, and a really nice tub that looks like it has jets. Nice big mirror, toilet. Nice closet with all the things, a safe. Actually, that's kind of a nice view from here too. 2 windows in here. Oh, a nice ceiling fan. Very high ceiling. That's really nice, actually. So we'll come back out of this room. Have you been upstairs, Dad? Have you been upstairs?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
And never cross over.
Hello. What are you giggling about up here? Oh, it's like a 1950s television set.
It is.
With the TV's in an awkward space.
But they got one.
But they got one, that's true. And then a little closet.
What this was.
Okay.
It's,
It's got a couple of hangers. I mean, it's a nice space. There's no chair up here. So I guess, but I mean, if you're throwing kids up here, what does it matter? Nice view.
Going downstairs.
Oh.
I'm surprised they don't call it a 3-bedroom.
I mean,
There's a closet.
it's technically, oh, there's 2 closets.
The
Oh,
point
wow,
is-
look at this. And it's got a ceiling fan too.
Yep. It's just nice.
So there is this little
None of us
space
have to
here.
Go upstairs.
And that's what the living room looks like. It's pretty good amount of space. Lots of seating. That's really nice when you have multiple adults. And, you know, some nice artwork. All right, let's go downstairs. Is there a basement in this thing?
No, that's what I
No,
don't know
the thing that we're to keep talking about is the odor. Or it's a scent. Chris has described it as a Baptist church basement smell, which is very accurate. So we're opening some of the windows to kind of air it out. Well, I mean, you can see the highway, but it's still a really, really nice.
That mountains over there.
Oh yeah, you can kind of see through there. But as you can hear, you get some highway. But when we were here before, we couldn't hear all this. We were tucked up if you go up the hill that way when you're staying here. We are further down. I guess we're closer to the pool. We are definitely high. Lots of, definitely high up. Okay.
So later we decided to play Putt Putt, which is actually free. You can play for free while you're staying there. You go into this little shack here and there's clubs and balls, and then you download this app and it helps you keep score. And yeah, we just hung out and played some Putt Putt.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher.
Seriously?
Well, you can't film me, but I was looking.
She puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
I'll edit and post. Well, thanks for watching. In the next video, we go to Dollywood. So we'll see you guys soon.
So